Welcome to one and all. Today we are going to discuss 8th chapter exercise 8.1 quiz number 1. In triangle ABC right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine sin A cos A. And the second question, sin C and cos C. Okay, for solving this problem, first you draw a right triangle, right angled at a B. And it is given in the question, AB is equal to 24 and BC is equal to 7. So one more side is remaining. What is that? AC. That side you can find out using Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So AC is equal to root of 7 square plus 24 square. So what is 7 square? Root of 49 plus 576. So that is equal to root of 625. So what is the answer? It is 25. So AC is equal to 25. So that is the first step. Find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now we have all the three sides. What is that? AB is 24, BC is 7 and the third side AC is 25. And after that we can move to the first question. What is our first question? Sin A. What is sine? Sine A meaning you should take this angle. Sine meaning opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this angle A, what is the opposite side? 7. And what is the hypotenuse? A. So what is that? 7 by 25. And the next one, cos A. Cos A meaning what is that? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this angle A, adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So what is the answer? 24 by 25. So sin A cos A. Sin A is equal to 7 by 25 and cos A is equal to 24 by 25. Okay. Now moving to the second question. What is the second question? Sin C and cos C. First we can calculate sin C. Sin C meaning you should take the angle C. Okay, you should take this angle C. So sin meaning what is the opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this angle C, what is the opposite side? It is AB. So what is that? 24. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse what is that? 25. And the next one, cos C. For this angle C, cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the answer? 7 by 25. Okay. So sin C is equal to 24 by 25 and cos C is equal to 7 by 25. Next question. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. The figure is given a right triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and two of the sides are given. PQ is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 13. And you have to find out what is the value of tan P minus cot R. So what is the first step? Find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. So which side is unknown here? QR. So QR is equal to root of 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square what is that? 169 minus 144. So that is equal to root of 25. That is equal to 5. So what is the third side? 5. Okay. Now after that you have to find out tan P. So tan P minus cot R you have to calculate. Tan P. Tan meaning what is that? For this angle P, tan opposite side by adjacent side. So 5 by 12 minus cot R. You should take this angle R. Cot meaning what is the? Adjacent side by opposite side. So 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. What is the answer? That is equal to 0. So what is the value of tan P minus cot R? Tan P minus cot R is equal to 0. Third question, if sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Again, sine A is given. Sine A is equal to what is that? 3 by 4. So first you draw a right triangle. Right angled at B. So A, B, C, right angled at B. So sine A is equal to 3 by 4 it is given. Sine A meaning what is that? Opposite side by hypotenuse, isn't it? So opposite side what is that? Opposite side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 4. So which side is unknown? AB. So that side you can find out using Pythagoras theorem. So AB is equal to root of 4 square minus 3 square. What is root 4 square? 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 what is that? It is root 7. So what is the third side? Root 7. So next you should find out cos A. Cos A meaning what is that? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this angle A, adjacent by what is the root 7. Root 7 by hypotenuse 4. So cos A is equal to root 7 by 4. And the next one, tan A. Tan A meaning what is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the answer? 3 by root 7. Okay. So first you find out the unknown side. After that cos A and tan A is equal to root 7 by 4 and 3 by root 7. Fourth question, given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Okay. Here what is given? 15 cot A is equal to 8. So can you write cot A is equal to 8 by 15? Yes. So that is the first step. 15 cot A is equal to 8 meaning you can write cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Okay. And after that draw a right triangle. Mark this angle as A. So right angle that is B. Cot meaning what is that? Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, so adjacent side is 8 and the opposite side is 15. So one side is remaining. What is AC? So AC is equal to root of 8 square plus 15 square. What is that? 8 square is root of 64 plus 225. What is that? 289. So what is the value? It is equal to 7. So what is AC? AC is equal to 17. Okay. AC is equal to 17. And after that you have to calculate sin A and sec A. So what is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the answer? 15 by 17. And the next one, sec A. Sec what is the hypotenuse by adjacent side? 17 by 8. Okay. So if it is like that means 15 cot A is equal to 8. At first you rewrite the question as cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Then you can easily solve. Fifth question, given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. So what is the first step? First you draw a right triangle. Any angle you can take as theta. I am taking this angle as theta. So which ratio is given? Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. And we know that sec meaning what is that? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So hypotenuse is 13 and the adjacent side is 12. So that one side is remaining. So find out this. So first you can give one name to this triangle. This is ABC. So BC is unknown. So BC is equal to root of 13 square minus 12 square. What is that? 169 minus 144. That is equal to root of 25. What is the answer? It is 5. So what is BC? BC is equal to 5. Isn't it? Now you have to find out all other trigonometric ratio. All other trigonometric ratio meaning first you have to calculate sin theta. So sin theta what is that? Sin. Sin meaning opposite side by hypotenuse. So 5 by 13. Okay. Cos theta. What is cos theta? Sec theta it is given in the question. Cos is actually what is that? It's reciprocal. So what is that? Reciprocal of 13 by 12, what is that? 12 by 13. Okay. The next one, tan. Tan, what is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. So 5 by 12. And the next one, cosec. Cosec, actually what is that? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine. Sine is 5 by 13, so its reciprocal will be 13 by 5. Sec, it is given in the question. And the last one, what is that? Cot. Cot is actually is the reciprocal of tan. It is 5 by 12. So cot, what is that? 12 by 5. Okay. So if you know one trigonometric ratio, we can find out easily the remaining trigonometric ratios like this. Okay.